This is a single stroke 4. Now, this is a very easy rudiment to learn, and you could actually do this all the way back at tier number 1, but we are on tier 3 because I have a different approach to the single stroke 4. I call this a 4-stroke ruff. So, if it's just a single stroke 4, you're just playing 4 single strokes. Either starting on the right or starting on the left. Which is really cool, I guess. It's not really any different than learning your single stroke roll. It's just that you're stopping with 4 strokes. Okay? As far as being able to play 16th note triplets, or that thing that sounds like a horse, it's, I guess, essential, but it's no more essential than playing the single stroke 7, which is just a few more strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or dig-a-da pop, and dig-a-da pop, and dig-a-da pop, cool. It's still a single stroke roll as far as I'm concerned. It's just that we have either a single stroke 4, I don't know why. You could do a single stroke 5, single stroke 6, single stroke 7, single stroke 8. They're all the same. It's the same techniques. But what makes a single stroke 4 different for me is that I consider this to be a 4-stroke ruff. A 4-stroke ruff is written like this. We know 2 strokes is a drag. But a 3-stroke, we're not 3-stroke, 4-stroke ruff, where you have 3 grace notes. We are not going to play with bounces. So it never comes out being that clean. Whenever we see a 4-stroke ruff, 1, 2, 3, 4, in music, we play these either as single strokes, or we can use a combination of double and single sticking. But we're going to use this as a rudiment in single strokes. So I want you to think of, first, starting on the right hand, we're going to play 3 strokes, grace notes, into a primary stroke, which means that instead of playing 4 even strokes, I'm going to play 3 soft and into a louder primary stroke. So what happens here, oh, that's that whip stroke, that inverted stroke that we learned with the Flamacue back in tier number 2. So if you worked on your Flamacue, then you'll be able to do this. All right, so with a 3 or 4-stroke ruff, the difference between a drag is drags are bounce, double stroke, a bounce stroke into a primary stroke. A ruff is single strokes. So you can practice this off of the right hand. Always getting that primary stroke, biddly-da, 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 at the end, or you can start on your left hand. Or if you really want to challenge, you can alternate. All right. Again, this is a higher level rudiment. I have this on tier 3 because you generally don't see this until you get to high school level literature in the concert percussion world. Of course, it has a lot of applications. We don't generally see this as a rudiment on the marching field. We may see it in the front ensemble, but getting that getting that really nice rough sound. You'll see that a lot in some old marches. So work on the 4-stroke Ruff, and then you could work on a 5-stroke Ruff, or a 6-stroke Ruff, or a 7-stroke Ruff, or 7-stroke. Those two rudiments, kind of interchangeable. You're working on those really fast singles into a primary stroke. All right, so a difficult rudiment, if you interpret it correctly, you can go on and play this very fast and really work on the finesse. And really listen to the sound that you're getting great sounding ruffs every single time off the right and the left. Great rudiment to work on. First one of tier number 3.